Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you with yet another video. Today, we're gonna do a little something different. As you can see, I am barefaced. Got my all natural out. Today, I'm super excited because I am finally, after about 3 or 4 years, finally doing my Sisterlock consult. Like today is the day, December 5th. 2019, it's going down. It's been a journey. It's been a journey even getting to this point. About 3 or 4 years ago, I ran across a video, of course, on YouTube about Sisterlocks. I had been kind of playing around with wanting to get dreads for a while, but I didn't want the big ones. I didn't want it to be, because it looked boyish to me. I didn't want that look. So after watching that Sisterlock video, I immediately fell in love and started researching. Since locks are a lifelong commitment, I didn't want to jump into that straight away, right? So I've been watching videos, watching people's journey. One person that I can remember off my head is Dark and Lovely. I've watched a couple of her videos. I've watched her journey. I absolutely adore her. I think her Sisterlocks are magnificent. I really want to stop calling them dreads. They're not dreads, they're locks. Her locks are magnificent. And about maybe August of this year, I'm like, I'm in it. I finally got moved back. I'm in the Minneapolis area. I finally moved back to Minneapolis. I'm like, I'm gonna find a Sisterlock consultant, right? And it has been tooth and nail finding one, right? I slid in people's DMs. I was in people's Gmail accounts. I texted a few people. It was really hard getting a consult, getting something set in stone. So I was absolutely elated when I found out that my cousin is a loctician. Made a consult with her, told her what I wanted, and it just never happened, right? So I got a little frustrated. I waited about maybe a month and a half, and me and my daughter decided, hey, let's do micro locks. I started watching those type of videos, seeing what they were about. I'm like, okay, they're similar to Sisterlocks, something I could deal with. And I tried it. I did. And I'll insert some pictures of those right now. And they lasted for about maybe 6 weeks. I was in love with them. For 6 weeks, I was in love with them. I love my hair. I liked the way it was going. And then the ugly phase started kicking in, right? And I have seborrheic psoriasis, so my scalp is very flaky. And for the life of me, I couldn't get my scalp to a point where it would just relax. It would just like plateau and, you know, maybe have some flakes, but not the like literally inches of my scalp just coming up, right? So I kind of got it to, I started using Seabreeze. I watched a video of how to kind of take care of your hair for that. I started using Seabreeze, and Seabreeze helped a lot. Tea tree kind of really burned. It didn't help my scalp at all. So Seabreeze helped a little bit, but I just did not like that ugly stage. I really didn't. I played around with a few wigs. I didn't like the way it looked. I just wasn't happy. And then I woke up one morning, I'm laying in the bed. I'm like, I'm not happy, not because of the way my locks look. I'm not happy because I don't have Sisterlocks. So I took them down. And as I was taking them down, I got kind of frustrated. I'm like, there's perm in my hair. This is probably why the ends look kind of and they look stringy. So I went in my mom's room and I'm like, Ma, can I use your scissors? And she was like, girl, what you about to cut? I was like, give me a couple minutes and you'll see. So I just started cutting the ends. If it looked like it was a perm straight in, honey, Eva Tarae cut it off, right? So went back in the room, washed my hair, went back in the room, and she was like, oh my God, you cut your hair. I was like, yeah, I have a fro now. So going to a little backstory to that, my hair has always been a pretty good length, anywhere from shoulder length to probably top the boob length. And now I have, you know, this little, should I let y'all see? I think I'm gonna bust it out. So this is what your girl is left with, right? So all natural. There's probably a few areas of still perm, but me and my consultant, I'm gonna have her, like, you know, judge if I should or if she should, you know, cut that off. I love my gray hair. So yeah, so that was that. Okay, so my friend, one of my friends, good friends on Facebook, love her to death, hey Trivia, if you're watching this video, she found a Sisterlock consultant. She got him, and I was like, yes, finally someone, yes. So I slid in her DM. I was like, girl, you gotta tell me who did this. I gotta get on this. So she did, and here we are today. Okay, that was my daughter. So yeah, like I said, I'm super elated to be in this position. I'm happy. I'm so ready for this commitment. Look at you. I'm so happy to be in this spot. I just don't know what to do with my little self. I'm sorry about the camera shaking. I just don't know what to do with my little self. I'm super happy. That was my daughter actually checking in. It was like, are you there? Is it going down? She was like, yes. I'm here. It's finally going down. So I will keep you guys updated, and here we go. Look at that. So diamonds, this is it. January 3rd, 2020. I'm out in front of the salon. 15 minutes till I get Sisterlocks. I'm like so excited. There's some lighting here. So super excited. You don't even know what to do. I couldn't sleep last night. I can't wait. I'll keep y'all updated. Hey diamonds, it's your girl BOXY, back with a new attitude, with a new do. It is done. Sisterlocks are on point. Look at them. Let's just take a moment to just enjoy these babies. Look at them. Oh my God. I'm gonna turn around and show you the back, and then we'll kind of go over the, oh, look. Y'all see the highlight? You better stop it. Okay. That is the back. Grid pattern is on point. My consultant did an excellent job. If you are in the Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota area, I highly recommend Christine. She is a local Sisterlock consultant. I'll leave all of her particulars down in the description box so you could check that out. But it was a journey, y'all. I predicted 19 hours and I predicted a 502 locks. My installation took 18 hours and 49 minutes. So I was really close, and I have, are you guys ready? I have 528 locks. It blew my mind, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. She said my hair is really thick. I have a lot of hair. So we went with the 4-point rotation, hopefully to kind of contain all of its fire as it starts to develop and kind of grow into its own. I'm so happy. I've been waiting for Sisterlocks for like 5 years now. It has been a journey even getting to this point. I'm happy I'm here. I can't wait to watch them grow and just have that new attitude. Sisterlock, I'm telling you, it does something to you. It does. It's just freedom, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So I am going to get off here. I just wanted to jump on and just let you guys know that it is done. My first initial reaction is that I am absolutely in love with them. What took me so long, thank you, Chrissy, for making this possible for me. and helping me get to this point. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing right now. I'm about to go in Walmart, girl, with a whole new attitude. About to bust open them doors. Everybody gonna stop and look, because this girl got sister locks. All right, diamonds. So I will keep you guys posted on my journey. I'll probably do 30 and then 60 days after that, and then 90 days after that, leading up into my 1-year anniversary, just so you guys can kind of see some growth, see the changes. So if you have any questions, hit me below. I will definitely answer. I'm just in love. I can't keep my hands out of it. She put curls in it, but I just can't keep my hands out of it. I don't care that they're falling. I love them as is. So diamonds, that is it for me. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. And as always, diamonds, until next time. Okay, Eva. Don't mind my underarms. Okay, Eva. You better stop it. You better stop it. I can figure out something to do with up here. But I'm gonna work on it, girl. I will see you loves in about 30 days.